So this next section is about infinite limits. And the thing about infinite limits is that they're really not any different from other limits. It's just that infinity is involved. But that's not that scary. So with this first one, well, what does it say? Determine the limit of each function as x approaches 1 from the left and from the right. So here's our x equals 1. So let's go ahead and use the proper notation. So as x approaches 1 from the left of f of x, what do we have? Well, as x approaches 1, you look at the graph from the left side, it's going up. So it's going up all the way to positive infinity. So I don't know if this is like legal to write that it's equal to infinity, but I'm going to do it anyway, because the limit as x approaches 1, as x gets closer to 1, what is y getting closer to? From the left side at least, it's getting closer to positive infinity. And actually just the same, from the right side, the limit as x approaches 1 from the right side, it's also infinity. Because you look at the graph, as we come in from the right side and we follow the graph, it also goes up to positive infinity. So we're saying as x gets closer to 1 from the right side, y is getting closer to infinity. Y is going up. And so kind of it's legal, I would say, that it's totally proper to write the limit as x approaches 1, just in general from both sides, is equal to infinity. Because look how, as you approach 1 from both sides of this function, they're both going up. So again, I don't know, I don't really think it's totally proper to write that something's equal to infinity, but I'm down for it. It's both going up to infinity. I like it. Now it's different on the next one, because you see on the next one, on the left side, as you approach 1 from the left side, it's going up to positive infinity. Let's see, this is the other f of x. But as we approach 1 from the right side, as we come in this way, it's going down to negative infinity. So here you couldn't really say that the limit as x approaches 1 is anything, because from one side it goes up to positive infinity, the other side it goes down to negative infinity. You can't really say directly what it's approaching. But it's perfectly cool to say from the left side and from the right side what it's approaching.